Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and in this video I will show you how to use the S Pen button for this device. So let's start. The first feature is about taking notes while watching video. For example, you are watching a video and in the meantime you also want to take your notes. So you just have to press and hold this S Pen button and then tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open your notes. So here you can start taking your notes and in the meantime you can also watch your video. The next thing is you can see this note taking app is blocking the view behind. So what you can do, you can select this gray color bar and then from here you can select this split screen option. Now you can watch this video and in the meantime you can also take your notes as well. The next thing is you can also drag any object from this video to your notes. So what you have to do, first of all you have to pause the video and then you have to use your S Pen. So you have to press and hold on the object. So for example, I want to select this object, so I will press and hold it like this. It will grab this object and now you can just drag and drop it to your notes. So here you can see I can drag and drop it to my notes, and later if you want you can also edit it as well. The next feature is about screen off memo. For example, your phone is locked and you are in a hurry and you want to write something important. So you just have to press and hold this S Pen button and then you have to single tap on your screen. It will open screen off memo and here you can write anything important. Once you finish with your writing, you can select this save option. It will be saved to your notes, or you can also pin it to your lock screen. So here we have this pin icon, so I will select it and here you can see the same note is now available on my lock screen. Now for example, I want to edit this note. So what I will do, first of all I will activate my lock screen and then I will double tap on this pencil icon and then it will open my notes again, and here I can continue with my editing. The next thing is you can also select different colors or different thickness for your pen. So for thickness you have to select this pen icon. Here we have different thickness level, and then for example you want to change the color, so you can select this color option from here and then you can select different color for your pen tool. You can also use this eraser option if you want to erase anything on your screen of memo. The next feature is about highlighting text and dragging it to your notes. For example, you are scrolling through a website and you find some interesting information and you want to save that information to your notes. So first of all, you have to press and hold this S Pen button and then you have to start highlighting the text. So I want to highlight this text, so I will start highlighting this text and then I will highlight it till here. Now I want the same text in my notes. So again, I will use my S Pen. I will just press and hold it like this and now I can easily drag it. So I can just drag it towards the right side of my screen or towards the left side of my screen, and then I will drop it over here and then I will select my notes and then I will select add to new note and then I will tap on it again. So the same text is now available inside my notes, and now if you want you can also edit it as well. The next feature is about air command. For example, I open this website and here on this website I have a lot of stats and I want to extract only the stats from this website. So what I will do, I will just bring my S Pen closer to my screen and then I will press the S Pen button. It will open air command and then from here I can select different tools. So for example, I will open this AI select tool and then I will use my S Pen. I will just circle around this website. So I will just circle around this page and then from here I have this option of writing assist. So I will select it. And then here I have this option of table, so I will select it and then it will start extracting all of the stats into tabular form. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see all of the stats are now available in tabular form. You can also transpose it. So here you can see I have different style for this table. Now you can also share it to your notes. So for example, I want to share all of this table to my notes. I will select this share option, and then from here I will select my notes, and then I will select add to new note. So same table is now available inside my notes, and now if you want you can also edit it as well. The next feature is about switching between different tools inside your notes. For example, I open my notes and here I will start writing with my S Pen. Now I want to switch to my eraser. So I will just press and hold this S Pen button. So I will press and hold it, and then I will bring it closer to my screen, and now it will start working as an eraser. So here you can see I can erase my handwriting. Now if I leave this button, and now it will switch back to normal pen. So now I can continue on my writing. So this is how you can switch between different tools using S Pen button. The next feature is about screen write. For example, you are reading a book and you find some interesting information and you want to share that information with your friends and with your colleagues. So first of all, you have to bring your S Pen closer to the screen and then press the S Pen button. It will open Air command, and from here you can select this screen write option. It will take a screenshot for that page, and then you can also use your pen to highlight anything important on that page. You can use other tools. For example, you want to write something, you can also write on that page as well. Once you finish with your editing, you can select this share option, and then you can share it with your friends or with your colleagues. The next feature is about multiple selection. For example, I open my gallery and here I have different items and I want to select these items. So first of all, I will press and hold this S Pen button, and then I will bring my S Pen closer to the screen. It will show you this plus icon, and then you can start making your selection. So here you can see I will start drawing this box. So wherever I want, I can stop it. So for example, I want to select these items. So I will just draw it like this, and here you can see all of these items are now selected. Now if you want, you can also share them. You can also edit them as well. You can also write on your calendar with your S Pen. So first of all, you have to bring your S Pen closer to the screen, and then you will press this S Pen button. So it will open Air command, and then from here you can select this write on calendar option. It will open your calendar. You can select any date. You can also zoom it, and now you can use your S Pen, and then you can write on your calendar. The next thing is you can also edit it as well. So here we have different tools available. So you can select this pen tool. Here we have different pens available. You can also use different highlighters. You can also use this eraser tool as well. And once you finish with your editing, you can also save it. The next feature is about Ask AI. For example, I open my notes, and here I will open these text notes. Now I want more information about these notes. So first of all, I will press and hold this S Pen button, and then I will start selecting the text. So here you can see I can easily select the text from my notes. So for example, I will select it till here. Then it will show you this menu, and then you have to select these three dots, and then if you scroll down, here we have different options available. So you can ask Perplexity, you can ask Grok, you can ask Claude, and you can also ask Chat GPT. So you can select any of these AI apps. For example, I will select Ask Perplexity. So I will select it. It will automatically add that text to Perplexity, and then you can ask anything about your notes. The next feature is about translation feature. For example, I open a website, and here you can see the website is in a different language. So what I will do, first of all, I will bring my S Pen closer to the screen, and then I will press the S Pen button. It will open Air command, and then from here I will select this translate feature. And now I want to translate this word. So I will bring my S Pen closer to this word. So I will just bring it closer, and here it will give me the translation for this specific word. Now if I remove my S Pen, here you can see it will go back to normal mode. So same way you can also translate different words, you can translate different sentences as well. You can also use Magnify feature using your S Pen. So you just have to bring your S Pen closer to the screen, press the S Pen button, it will open a command. You can select this magnify tool, and then you can magnify anything on your screen. You just have to bring your S Pen closer to the screen, and here you can see I can magnify this text on my screen. So guys, at the back side of your S Pen there is this extra button. It looks like an extra control, but there is no software functionality for this button. You can use this button just to take out your S Pen from your device. So for example, I will insert this S Pen inside my device. So here you can see you can use it to insert it inside your phone, and now if I want to take it out, I will just press it like this, and then I can easily take out my S Pen from my device. Now let's talk about Air Command customization. So you just have to bring your S Pen closer to the screen, press the S Pen button, it will open Air Command. And now for example, I want to add more apps or more shortcuts. So I will select this plus icon, and then from here I can select different apps, and then I can add it to my Air Command as well. The next thing is you can also do more settings. So I will bring my S Pen closer to the screen, press the S Pen button, it will open Air Command, and here we have this settings icon. So I will select it, and here you can do more customizations as well. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.